Kajabi has all the tools you need to build a seamless online business and create your digital products. Whether you're creating courses, offering coaching sessions, or starting a podcast, build and sell it with Kajabi. Products in Kajabi give you control over how your content is delivered and what your customers access when they buy. In Kajabi, you can create courses, communities, coaching programs, memberships, podcasts, newsletters, and digital downloads. Our easy-to-use product creation wizard makes product setup simple so you can focus on content planning and sharing your knowledge. Courses can take the form of a video lesson playlist or a learning resource center that allows you to teach your customers through video, audio, or written content, and even lets you quiz or survey them along the way. Offer your customers a curated environment to learn anything from an introductory mini course to a full training suite. Each course is divided into modules and submodules, so learners can work through your content step by step. Share access to your entire course all at once, drip out lessons over time, or even wall off later lessons so that learners must complete them in order. Your course design is fully customizable, so you can create consistent branding across your entire online business. An additional course type is available for customers on our Growth and Pro plans called cohort courses. Cohort courses are structured so students progress through your course material together in groups on a predetermined schedule. Schedule live video sessions to bring each cohort together in real time, creating opportunities for interaction and collaboration and fostering community as they move through your course. Coaching in Kajabi lets you sell and schedule one-on-one or group sessions with customers using built-in live video and our scheduler. Provide one-on-one coaching for single consultations, a preliminary meeting, or a focused individual teaching program. Use group coaching to expand your program's reach, develop peer support skills, and foster group accountability. When a customer visits your website and purchases your coaching program, they can schedule their sessions and access the agenda and resources you've provided. Inside the Contacts tab, keep track of the customers you're currently coaching, schedule sessions, review progress, and add notes. Foster a sense of belonging and ensure the longevity of your business using a community. A community is a curated forum that lets you move your most active members off of social media and engage with them over the long term. Customers learn and collaborate with you and each other using channels, live video calls, challenges, and events all in one place. Manage your community using custom access groups. Access groups organize and restrict content for specific members, and channels further segment your community by topic and can be either a feed or chat, allowing your members to interact with each other. Challenges are activities or assignments that inspire members of your community to take action together and can be one-time or recurring. Gamify your community and reward customers for completing a challenge, leaving a comment, or voting in a poll. Points are displayed on a community leaderboard to encourage engagement. Podcasts are a great way to share information on topics related to your expertise and let your customers in on conversations they normally don't have access to. Host your very own audio podcast right inside your Kajabi account. With Kajabi Podcasts, you receive your very own RSS feed that distributes your audio podcast across the internet. Think of it like a digital radio signal that anyone with a podcast app can tune into. If you already have an audio podcast hosted somewhere else, easily migrate it to Kajabi without the need to manually re-upload and without interrupting listenership. Newsletters offer a direct, reliable connection to your audience without the disruption of social media platforms. Grow your business on your own terms using written content sent directly to your subscribers. Downloads make it easy to offer downloadable files and ensure the process of downloading those files is simple for your customers. When your customers purchase your download, they can access all of their purchase files from their member library. Let's look at how to sell your products to your customers using offers. Offers are the price tag and checkout for your products. In order for your product to be purchased, they must first be connected to an offer. With offers, create multiple prices for the same product, bundle products together, and even limit how many of a particular offer you sell. Offer different payment types like subscriptions, multiple payment plans, and one-time payments. Customize your checkout page with your branding, offer upsells, and overall create your ideal customer checkout experience. Create as many offers as you want, regardless of your pricing plan, so you can price your products to suit your business's needs. Kajabi Payments provides an all-in-one solution that gives you everything you need to accept customer payments, all from your Kajabi dashboard. Accept payments, generate receipts, issue refunds, and offer additional payment methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Buy Now, Pay Later options via Afterpay and Klarna. Kajabi Payments is currently only available to customers located in the US, Canada, Australia, the UK, the United Arab Emirates, and select European countries. Kajabi Payments is purpose-built for heroes to support an all-in-one experience, making accepting payments and receiving your payouts simple. Kajabi's products and sales features make creating and selling your content simple while also providing you with robust tools to create and sell however best suits your business. Start creating so you can start selling with Kajabi today.